I'm making sausage, gravy, and biscuits this morning, and I already have my biscuits in the oven.
Okay, maybe later.
I'm browning 1 pack of bulk sausage. It can be your favorite sausage. I happen to be using Jimmy Dean. When the meat is done, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of bacon drippings, but you can use your favorite cooking oil. And 1/4 cup of flour. And then add 3 cups of milk. I'm using whole milk, but you can use whatever your favorite milk is. And I'll let this simmer for just a few minutes until it thickens. The biscuits are done and it's almost time to eat. And the last thing is an 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. And we're all set. Thanks for stopping by.